You searched how to buy shares of B&S Group SA. B&S Group SA is listed on Euronext under the ticker BSGR.NV. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and we use eToro as a neutral example. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and you will need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BSGR.NV to find the listing. Select the entry that shows Euronext as the exchange to locate the correct share. On the stock page, check the basic company information in the price chart to confirm this is the correct asset listed as BSGR.NV on Euronext. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, review order settings, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when the market reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is included in the description below.